Mini Das. This is Mini, and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for you all. Today's look is going to be an inspired look on Angelina Jolie. This video is going to be a collaboration video with another makeup artist, and her channel name is Siba86 and her name is Shivali.
And this is her look inspired by Angelina Jolie.
She is so funny. I am so jealous of you, Shivali. You are such an entertaining person. Her videos are like so funny, her voiceovers and the way she makes her faces. She's such an adorable girl. So please go and check her channel and subscribe to her channel. She is going to hit 2K subscribers, and please show some love to her. Look which I will be showing you today, this is an inspired look from the movie Tourist, and ever since I saw that movie I wanted to do a look of it, but the bad thing is that the sad thing is that I was not doing any makeup tutorial at that time. But today when I got an opportunity, I just wanted to do that look for you all. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and if you want to see how I created the look of Angelina Jolie from the movie Tourist, then please keep on watching the tutorial. The link of Shivali's channel and her tutorial and her Facebook page and her link to her blog, link to her Instagram, every link will be provided in the description box. So please go and check the description box. You can also find the link to my Facebook page and the other description in the description box. So please do check the description box.
First, I'll be taking my foundation. The foundation I'm using today, this is from Kryolan Micro Foundation Sheer Tan, and with the foundation brush from Kryolan itself, I'm going to apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply the concealer under my eye area, near my nose, near my lips, wherever I have those dark shadows. And this concealer is from Oriflame Very Me in the shade pink. Now this pink shade is going to brighten up my under eye area. Next, I'm going to use the face powder. This face powder is from Kryolan Professional Face Powder, and with the EcoTool powder brush, I'm going to apply it all over my face to set the concealer and the foundation. Now I'm going to prime my eyes. This primer is from Kryolan, and start off with the eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I'll be using Manly 120 eyeshadow palette and the other 120 eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to line my eye with a Kajal pencil. This is from Lakme. And then I'm going to start smudging it with a smudge brush from Kalaba, and I will take it inwards to my crease line. This will be basically our guide for the eyeshadows that we are going to apply later on. Next, I'm going to take that shadow from my Manly 120 eyeshadow palette, and with a flat shadow brush I'm going to apply it on my entire eyelid area. Once that is done, I'm going to take that brown shade from my 120 eyeshadow palette, and with a crease brush that is going to go in our crease area, I'm going to apply this brown shade in our crease area and start blending it with my EcoTool eyeshadow brush. We just want to give a little bit depth into our crease line, that's why we are using a brown shadow. Next, I'm going to take a matte black eyeshadow, and with a thin brush from Kryolan, I'm going to apply it on my crease line again and fill in a little bit on our outer V and start blending. We do not want any harsh line, so we will blend it until we are happy with the blending. Next, I'm going to apply that shadow again on our eyelid area which we applied earlier, and I'm a colorblind. I don't know what this eyeshadow is basically called, the name of the eyeshadow, but I hope you get it. Next, I'm going to apply the Kajal pencil again, and we're not using any eyeliner today, just the Kajal pencil. Next, I'm going to apply my false lashes, and I'm using the same Kajal to apply it on my waterline. and smudge it. And once that is done, I will be using my Maybelline mascara, and I'll be applying it on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to take my Rimmel London bronzer, and with the powder brush I'm going to apply it on my cheek. Now taking the brown eyeshadow that we used for our crease line, I'm going to apply it for the contouring, and I'm using that blending brush from the Eco Tools again, and I'm going to blend it in circular motion. And I'm also going to contour my nose, because Angelina Jolie have a very sharp nose. Next I'm going to take this Calabar blush Peachy Rose, and I'm going to apply it on the apple of my cheek to make my cheeks little rosy like Angelina Jolie. Now I'm going to apply the lip liner. This is from Jordana in the shade Terracotta, and I'm going to fill in my lips with the same lip liner. And for the lipstick I'll be using this Faces Canada lipstick, and this is in the shade Go Shake Hazelnut. And on top of that I'll be using a clear gloss from Calabar to have that glossy lips like Angelina Jolie. And that's our complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you like watching my tutorials, then please give me a thumbs up and support and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.